Getting started with MoolahPlan can be pretty exciting. In this video, I will walk you through how to add your monthly take-home pay to MoolahPlan. This would be the net payable or net pay amount documented on your pay stub received from your employer. With the first example displayed on the screen, Julia Warner is paid weekly. With some simple math, we can come up with the average monthly income for Julia to add to MoolahPlan. Let's take $898.70, then multiply it by 52 since there are 52 weeks in 1 year. That total is $46,732.40 for the year. We can then take $46,732.40 and divide it by 12 for the 12-month calendar year. We would use the value $3,894.36 as the monthly take-home pay amount for MoolahPlan. For the next example on the screen, Aura gets paid monthly, so no additional math is needed. We would simply use the net payable amount of $3,781.17 as the monthly take-home pay amount for MoolahPlan. You will then see the data populate in the income table. Congratulations, you have successfully added your take-home pay to MoolahPlan. In the next video, I will walk you through how to add or update your bank account names.